Lolas, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina, and it's Temu time. So let's check out what I went ahead and ordered and see all the goodies that are in this bag. Okay, I saw this in my feed, and of course it's so cute I had to get it. So let me go ahead and open this up. Look at this. So these are like little Carnival bags, gift bags, and I believe you get five of each. So you get this one here, which is like a little treat one. Look at the carousel. Oh, I saw this. I was like, these are nice. Look at that. The little balloon. Their air balloon. Love it. And then you have the Ferris wheel. Look at that. Nice. Love it. And then you do have the train. So I saw these. I was like, oh, OMG, these are nice. Those are nice. And if you do a swap for the Carnival, that's even better. So I was able to snag that up. So those are actually really, really nice. I got those. Another thing I have here is some postcard cardstock. And I really like these. These are really nice. And this is, I believe, an Easter. Look at that. You get the mushroom house. Now, these are real nice to make for card fronts also. Bookmark. Journaling cards. You can even make little mini albums. Look at that. Oh, I love these. Love, love, love. How pretty is that? Got the kitten. The little bunny. Oh, wow. And got the little dreamy bed. That's pretty. Look at that. A picnic. Oh, the cute ducky. Oh, look at the little dough. Another mushroom house. These are lovely. You got a little like kitchen with the baked goods. Another kitten. The rabbit. There's a table. You got some more goodies here. Then another cute rabbit. And you have another one. These are real pretty. And you have another bedroom. Real pretty. Love those. I love those. Now I'm starting to mix a little bit of Valentine's and Easter in my orders now, since we're coming to that. Okay, this is another thing I like to buy, and these are like bookmark type of things. Look at that. It's actually, oh wow, even better. Look at that, double-sided. So now we don't, I like to laminate these and make them into bookmarks or charms and stuff. Look at that. I didn't know they were on the back side also. Oh, that's even better. You have that one. Real nice. That one there. This is the Valentine version. Yeah. Look at that. Real pretty. I thought these were real unique. Look at that. It reminds me of mixed media art. So yeah, love those. You got more here. Like I said, they are double-sided. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. And that one. That one. Oh, that's another nice one I like. These are pretty ones. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh wow, real pretty. Love it. Love those. Well, actually pretty cool. Even double-sided, even better. Okay, next thing I have here is some ribbon. Now I've hauled some of these before. I believe a pink and a blue, I believe. So I wanted to go ahead and get the green. So look at this one. And I like how it is like almost like a AB bead. Look at that. Real pretty. Love that. And I believe it's 2 yards for those. So that is a pretty color. Next thing I hauled here is some Valentine trim. Now I did haul some in a previous video, some stars, but this one didn't give as much as the other roll. The one that does is actually out of stock the last I looked, so I got a little bit of it. But look at that, regular heart trim in pink. I believe this is like 2 yards. Those, and then I also hauled this here. I thought it would be pretty cool to add into like swaps and stuff. And what this is, let me show you this. Coupon scratch off cards. So here goes the scratch off part right here. Okay. And then here goes your little coupon. So what you do is just add the little scratch off on there, and then you could gift it. And this is like a love coupon. Look at that. Love coupons. So I hauled those for, and I thought that would be a cool thing to give out. Another thing I have here are check these out. These are some cute penguin charms. Look at these, how cute these are. They remind me of Happy Feet. I don't know if you remember who Happy Feet was. Well, look at that. How cute is that? And it is a charm, and it's a little cutie. Cute, cute, cute. I do love penguins. So I got those. Another thing I was able to get are these pink and brown chocolate. And these are also charms. I'll take a few out to show you. Look at those. They got pink and brown, and they're a really good size and real good thickness. Look at that. Love it. So cute. And you get, I believe, I want to say like 30 to 20 to 30, give or take. Okay, this here I hauled because I wanted to see how it looked. This was called a 3D type figure, and it's like made out of like a 3D printer. And I got this like Day of the Dead horse, and I thought it was so cute. Look at that. And actually real nice. Oh yeah, this is actually real nice. And it does move, so tail got some motion, so his leg. See, I got this, well, I was going to keep this one, but if they were actually pretty good, I was going to buy some other ones and turn them into like keychains, stuff for the keychain. Oh wow. So yeah, I really like that. Look at that. Look at that. That's real nice. So love that. Okay, so the next thing I hauled were some dies. So the first one I have here is like a baking banner die. So you do have like your cupcake topping, a chef hat, a pin, one of the rolling pins, and then the pie, and then you do got different shapes of the pie crust. And you do have, what are these? Oh, so you might be able to add this for the cupcake. So you do have like whipped cream type stuff here. You gotta see online how that looks. But I'll cut these out to test them out if they're any good. So keep an eye on that. So I got that one. I'm gonna open this one. Okay, this one says it's a love one. Yeah. So just cuts out love with the heart. And like I said, I'll cut these so you can see how they look. So I have that one. Next one I have here is this Cutie Patootie. It's a Valentine one with rabbits and a heart. So I also have that one. I thought these were so cute. Look at that. What cuties are those? I got those. Okay, now this one here. This one here creates a small little, like, I believe it was either a pocket or a box. I think it was a little box. And you got little add-ons, like a little picture frame. There's a picture frame, I believe it was. So yeah, so you got 3 layers to the picture frame. So this is the back piece, the front, and then you got for the middle right there. But like I said, I will cut this to make sure. But I thought this was pretty cool. I like it because it was tiny. So I got that one. Okay, also how this die, let me use this here. This die, I believe, was like a fox. I know it was a fox, and I think I think it was a wolf. Yeah, fox and wolf. And then you do got different stuff that goes with it, so you could color it, have it different colors. Now this one I thought would be a cute one. So I like that. So I got that one also. Okay, the next one I have is a love. Now this one got the love sentiment that you cut, and it also has like almost like the outer line, the outline of it, so that I'll put a picture so you can see it, so that you cut into your front of your card. So it'll give you the shape, and then you'll put the love you layered on top. But yeah, I thought this was really cool to have. So I want to use this one too. But yeah, that is actually my little Temu haul that I want to share with you. I will put all the links below. And all the dies I will be cutting just to show you how they do cut. And yeah, let me know what is your favorite. I really like the bag. Well, I like everything, but I like the bags, the scratch off. I like it all. I do like it all. But yeah, with that, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.